Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your live site. Enable a child theme and staging, then make a backup. Once done, open Appearance, then Theme Editor, or connect via FTP to view your theme folder. Find the Woocommerce templates under /Woocommerce or your theme's Woocommerce folder, and note template names like Content Product. PHP. Make sure to copy any template into your child theme's Woocommerce folder before editing, because that preserves updates and prevents overriding when the parent theme updates. You'll now modify layout by editing templates and using hooks. First, copy files like archive product, PHP or content product, PHP into your child theme /Woocommerce folder. Next, identify hooks such as Woocommerce before shop loop item and Woocommerce after shop loop item. Remove action and add action let you relocate price, title, or thumbnails. Change markup or CSS classes inside templates to alter structure, and adjust product loops for columns or excerpts. Finish by styling and testing. Add CSS to your child theme or customizer to match spacing, grid, and typography, and test on mobile and desktop to make sure columns and images respond properly. Once done, clear any caches and reload pages. Confirm product loops, pagination, and quick view still work. If something breaks, enable WP debug, check error logs, and revert the last change or restore the backup. Make iterative fixes, and once stable, push changes from staging to live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.